Hello guys, welcome back to Fix It Danny. If you're stuck on a screen showing the error message, the computer restarted unexpectedly, or encountered an unexpected error, Windows installation cannot proceed. While installing Windows 11, Windows 10, or even Windows 7 on a Dell PC or laptop, don't worry. This is a common problem, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it quickly and easily. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Fix It Danny for more simple Windows fixes and PC troubleshooting guides. First, press Shift plus F10. On some laptops, you may need to press Shift plus Fn plus F10 instead. When command prompt opens, type regedit and press enter. Now go to Local Machine option, then System, then Setup, then Status, then Child Completion. On the right side, double-click on setup.exe, change the value to 3. Then click OK. After that, click OK on the error message and your PC will restart. Once it restarts, Windows should continue installing normally. That's it. Quick and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Fix It Danny, and I'll see you in the next one.